Hi, this is Sumant from Cloud QA. In this video, I will show you how to set up Selenium for test automation in your organization. Selenium is probably the most preferred test automation tool for web applications. If you're new to Selenium, you should know what it takes to set up a successful and productive test automation environment in it. The first thing you should do is evaluate the skill set of the resources you have in-house. Luckily, Selenium supports multiple languages like Java, C#, Python, Ruby, PHP, Perl, and JavaScript. If you do not have a person in-house with these skills, you will either have to train someone or hire someone to do this work. Once you have identified the people who will work on your test automation efforts, you have to account for the training period, which would be anywhere from a few days to a few weeks, depending upon the existing expertise of the individual. Next, you have to decide the test automation framework that you want to use. And this can take a lot of work. There are a few approaches available that you will have to evaluate and decide the one that best fits your environment. You also have to define the object repositories, which are a collection of UI and application object data recorded by the testing tool for the application under test. Since Selenium does not offer any sophisticated reporting mechanism, you will have to decide what type of reports you want for your test environment. This may include test execution results reports, test management reports, analytics, and so forth. So you will have to decide on the right test reporting framework. Now, once you have addressed the last 5 items that we discussed earlier, you are ready to start building your automation tests. However, for some organizations, those 5 steps involve a lot of work. As you can see, that building out an effective test environment with Selenium will definitely require a lot of commitment, upfront time, and qualified resources from your organization. If you have a large application that has frequent updates, you will also have to prepare for managing the test cases already written and evaluate their usability in an ever-changing environment. You have to be prepared to spend a few weeks to a few months on the initial framework before you can write a single automation test. So you must be wondering, if setting up Selenium takes so much time, if you really have any alternatives. As a matter of fact, you do. In fact, there are a few tools that are built on top of Selenium and can help you being highly productive with your test automation efforts. You should definitely look into evaluating some of these tools. The first evaluating criteria is complexity. See how easy it is to set up the tool, learn it, and run it on your own. There are tools that can be set up in minutes, but you want to make sure that they meet your demands. You should also check how much test automation coverage you can get out of these tools. See what features of Selenium they support or do not support. In the end, if you find out that the tool is able to meet, say, 80% of your automation needs, it becomes a compelling reason to use it. You may also want to evaluate the tool on its reporting and analytical capabilities. If you are planning on creating hundreds of automation tests, you want to ensure that you have some way of managing these tests effectively. Some tools give you a very easy way to test your application against multiple browsers, and you may want to consider this as well. Check out other features also which might help you in the long run. This includes data-driven testing capabilities, easy CI/CD integration, cloud-based access and test execution, and also advanced scheduling of your regression tests. Hope this brief video was helpful. Do contact us if you have any questions or need any help. We will be more than happy to provide you with some helpful tips to get you started quickly with your test automation efforts. Thank you.